Dear viewers, welcome to the latest update of violent Typhoon Dolphin from today, 01 August 2026, through the next few days. Subscribe to our channel for daily weather updates and stay informed with the latest forecasts and safety information. Violent Typhoon Dolphin, also designated as Japanese Typhoon number 13, continues to be a powerful and dangerous tropical cyclone over the western Pacific Ocean. As of the latest analysis, the center of the storm is located approximately 3,182 kilometers east of Kadena Air Base and has been moving west-northwestward at around 17 kilometers per hour, or about 9 knots, during the past 6 hours. The storm is generating extremely rough seas, with maximum significant wave heights reaching 13.7 meters, or about 45 feet, making marine conditions exceptionally hazardous. According to the latest forecast, Typhoon Dolphin will continue tracking toward the northwest for the time being. This movement is being guided by a strong subtropical ridge positioned over the North Pacific. However, meteorologists expect an important change in the steering pattern over the next couple of days. As a long-wave trough near the Kamchatka Peninsula shifts farther north, the subtropical ridge will expand westward. This atmospheric change will gradually force Dolphin to turn more toward the west. By around 60 hours from now, another large high-pressure ridge centered over the Korean Peninsula is expected to become the dominant steering system. This will keep Typhoon Dolphin moving generally westward, placing the Ryukyu Islands on its projected path during the next 5 days. Residents across the Ryukyu Islands, including Okinawa and nearby areas, should closely monitor future forecasts as the storm gradually approaches the region. In terms of intensity, Dolphin is nearing the end of the environmental conditions that have supported its recent strength. Meteorologists say the typhoon will begin entering waters with lower ocean heat content and areas of increasing wind shear within the next 6 to 12 hours. These factors are much less favorable for maintaining an extremely intense tropical cyclone. The storm is also completing an eye wall replacement cycle, a natural process that often occurs in very powerful typhoons. Once this cycle finishes, there could be a brief period of slight re-intensification. However, forecasters expect that opportunity to be short-lived. After approximately 24 hours, Dolphin is forecast to begin a gradual but steady weakening trend that will continue through the 5-day forecast period as environmental conditions become increasingly hostile. Even though the typhoon is expected to weaken, this does not necessarily mean the danger will decrease quickly. Additional eye wall replacement cycles are considered likely during the coming days. These events are extremely difficult to predict in advance and can temporarily alter the storm's intensity. More importantly, they often cause the typhoon's wind field to expand, meaning damaging winds, high waves, and heavy rainfall could affect areas much farther away from the storm's center. As a result, communities should not focus only on the exact forecast track, but also prepare for impacts extending well beyond the eye of the cyclone. Forecast confidence for the storm's track remains unusually high. Computer weather models continue to show remarkable agreement on Dolphin's overall movement. Both traditional forecasting models and advanced artificial intelligence guidance consistently indicate that the typhoon will make a westward turn toward the Ryukyu Islands. The primary uncertainty lies not in the direction of travel, but how quickly the system moves after about 4 days. By the 5th day, the difference between forecast positions grows to around 407 kilometers, reflecting increasing uncertainty in timing rather than the overall path. Forecasting the storm's intensity is proving much more challenging. Different weather models offer a wide range of possible outcomes. Some leading models, including HAFSA, HWRF, and Google's experimental DeepMind forecasting system, suggest Dolphin will maintain nearly steady strength during the next 12 hours, before gradually weakening. Beyond 36 hours, HAFSA predicts a much faster decline, reducing the storm to around 155 kilometers per hour by about 60 hours and near 120 kilometers per hour by the 5th day. In contrast, another forecasting model, COAMPS-CT, keeps the typhoon at an exceptionally powerful intensity of around 240 kilometers per hour throughout the forecast period. This large difference highlights the uncertainty surrounding how quickly Dolphin will weaken. Regardless of the exact intensity, Typhoon Dolphin remains a dangerous tropical cyclone, capable of producing destructive winds, towering waves, dangerous surf, and heavy rainfall over affected regions. People living across the Ryukyu Islands and nearby parts of Japan should continue following official forecasts, and if you are in areas that could be affected, review your emergency plans and stay prepared. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe for daily weather updates.